Welcome back to the second segment on clean energy, where we're going to be discussing all things green hydrogen. And joining me is Karin Forsberg to kick everything off. So first off, this segment is a little bit different than in previous events because we're introducing a new key area for Alfa Laval. Can you tell us what this is and why it's so important?
Yeah, exactly. I'm so happy that we are now adding water as a focus area in this setting because water is essential and water is scarce. Only 0.014% of water is both available and accessible as fresh water for all our operations on the globe. So we really need to care about water. However, so often water is just treated as a commodity and completely forgotten. For instance, we forget that actually water is the raw material to produce green hydrogen. We forget that all renewable processes and recycling processes consumes huge amount of water that get dirty and need to be cleaned and recycled. So we really need to care for water.
And where does green hydrogen specifically come into this picture?
Yeah, if we take a look at the process for green hydrogen, the electrolyzer process is the heart of the process. And the raw material is actually water. Water that is split into hydrogen and oxygen by the use of renewable energy. So what we do not normally think about is that huge amount of ultra-pure water is needed as feedstock to produce green hydrogen.
Great. And what is it about the new product, the HyDuo, that sets us apart from competing technologies?
Yeah, we have delivered freshwater generators for more than 50 years, and we have more than 30,000 installations worldwide applied to taking salty water or river water or brackish water and turning it into the right quality of fresh water. So the HyDuo concept is a concept where we have taken our existing technology and integrated it with the needs of the green hydrogen production. So the beauty of this combination is that we take the waste heat from the cooling of the electrolyzer and we use that to drive the distillation process that produces the ultra-pure water. So you can say we do two things in one step, and actually we get the fresh water for free almost, at least when it comes to the energy use. And it's also extremely compact because instead of building different positions for cooling and for the fresh water generation, we do it in one go. So it's a fantastic combination. And I would say that this is the most sustainable solution to produce ultra-pure water for green hydrogen production.
Wow, let's find out more.
Securing optimized water production is crucial for enabling sustainable development within the hydrogen industry. Hi, I'm Luciana Mendes. At Alfa Laval, we recognize that a truly sustainable process must have a truly sustainable solution, and maximizing energy efficiency is key to make this happen. Which is why we have developed the Alfa Laval HyDuo, the most sustainable solution to produce water for green hydrogen production, suitable for both land-based and offshore installations. HyDuo is a freshwater generator system that cools down the electrolyzer and reuses waste heat to produce ultra-pure water, all in one simple process step that eliminates traditional desalination and cooling equipment. This cutting-edge 2-in-1 system is available in two configurations: the Aqua HyDuo with up to 60 cubic meter per day capacity and the MEP HyDuo with up to 2,000 cubic meter per day capacity, suitable for both river and seawater. HyDuo uses high-grade materials to minimize corrosion and extend maintenance intervals. Its plates are made of robust titanium, which makes it possible for this thermal solution to easily distill seawater and use little to no chemicals. With HyDuo, excess heat from the electrolyzer is used to increase process efficiency. By reusing that heat to evaporate water under vacuum pressure, it directly reintegrates the energy back to the process. Welcome to Alfa Laval. We are a partner that solves today's challenges with the future in mind.